Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you send voice message on Viber. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the Viber app, and after downloading the app, make sure that you have logged in with your number. Now just go to the Viber app. Now in the Viber app, just click the top right, the search icon. Now you will find some recent searches or contacts here. Just click on it, and after clicking it, here you can see in the bottom right side there is a mic icon. By just clicking it, you can record on Viber. Now just press it on the mic icon like this. If you slide it to left, it will cancel the record like this. And to send voice message, just press it on the mic icon like this. And when you're done, just release the mic icon. Now just clicking the pause icon, you can hear the voice that you have sent to your message. So guys, that's how you can send voice message on Viber. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.